Hi there, welcome back to another video. We're literally picking up from the last video, so we're still here in an empty living room. Room's looking good though. If you missed the last two videos, I did an empty apartment tour and then I did my moving in vlog. So go check those out so that you guys can be all caught up. And right now it's Thursday. I thought it was Friday, but it's Thursday. But you know what? It's Thirsty Thursday. So we're gonna get ourselves a little drink. Let's see if it's even good. So I got this rosé. I don't know, honestly the name drew me in. I think it's new. I really don't know. Or I think it was just new at the liquor store that I went to, but it's called Berry Cream Rosé from California. And it just sounded really good. I don't know, the name Berry Cream really got me. Cheers, you guys. I can already tell it's not gonna be my favorite. It's too sweet for me. I like a drier rosé. Yeah, I don't love it. Aw. I should have known by the name Berry Cream it was gonna be on the sweeter side. I don't love it, but we're not gonna let it go to waste. Okay, we're still gonna drink it. I should have gone with my gut and bought the other one. Whatever. If you're wondering what I'm doing, I am on Netflix watching Working Moms. The new season came out today, so that's what I've been doing. Very exciting things, I know. But in my defense, I was still unpacking today. Like, I did some other work, I unpacked. I have one box left, which I'm doing tomorrow morning. And that's it. Then I just have to wait for my couch. I ordered a couch. So once it gets here and fingers crossed it fits, I will show you guys and I'll let you guys know where it's from. I hope it's good. I've never purchased a couch without trying it, but we're in quarantine, stores are not open, so I had to order one online. And then once that arrives, then I'll figure out what coffee table I want to get. And I have to order a television also. I would love to lounge in my living room. Right now, I'm always in my room or like this little thing here, which I'm not mad at, I really like, but I would love to lounge on my couch. That would be amazing.
Hello?
Hi, Mommy. Happy Mother's Day. It's Mother's Day. I got my mom and my aunt flowers. I'll show you guys later. I picked them up from Whole Foods yesterday because I knew today was gonna be crazy, because you guys know in this quarantine we have to wait on lines to even get in the store, and the line yesterday was so long that I'm so glad I ended up going and not waiting for today, because I could only imagine how long it's going to be today. But I put the flowers in the fridge, so hopefully they're okay. I saw them this morning. And yeah, I woke up kind of late. I slept in for the first time in forever because I finally got curtains up. These are the curtains that I got from Furniture Mecca. They're so pretty. They're like this gold, like they have like this, I feel like you can't really see it on camera, but it has like this gold, what's it called? Like lining in between. I don't know how to explain it, but they're really pretty. And then my friends got me this sound machine. I will try to find it on Amazon for you. It is amazing, you guys. I was finally able to sleep. It basically just makes, let me play it for you guys. It makes like white noise. Is that what it's called? I think that's the highest setting. I slept with it on the highest setting because I have not been able to sleep. I hate when it's like dead silent. I like a little background noise. Hi, I'm getting all my stuff together. I have Mother's Day cards. I gotta grab the flowers. I gotta get Max ready. I feel like a mom. Like, how do moms do this? Because I could barely get myself together. You want to go outside with me? He literally pushes me. You're a little bully. You want to go outside? Want to go outside? I gotta put shoes on. Where am I going in these slippers? I'm wearing jeans. This is the first time I'm wearing jeans all quarantine long, which means I haven't worn jeans in 2 months, and I'm shooketh that they fit. Guys, it is the next day. I'm so tired right now. I'll put you guys down here. I'm trying to get my tea kettle. But today was a very busy Monday. Sorry, this is making so much noise. I'm such an idiot. I was about to make some tea, but I don't think I have enough water. Wait, I think I might have just enough water. I had to film a video that I'm working on with this brand, and I have to submit it by tomorrow the latest. So I'm trying to submit it today because I'd rather submit. I always try to submit things at least a day early because, you know, I'm just a professional queen who I try to be. And so I got up, I did my hair, I did like full glam makeup. The lipstick is already coming off because I had lunch. And I am so sleepy. I really want to take a nap. That's how tired I am. And I don't want to make coffee because I already had coffee twice, which I usually only have coffee once. But I feel like the first batch I made was a little bit watery. I don't know. So I was like, wait, you know what? I have tea that I can make, because I finally opened my box that had my kitchen stuff, and I have my tea kettle, whatever this is called, like electric tea kettle, I don't know. But I'm gonna make a little green tea right now because I am just, oh my god, you guys, so sleepy, and I really want to edit this video right now. Crap, I need more water. I'm gonna have to run to the store and get water. Hopefully the green tea will be enough to give me the energy I need to finish this video. Wow, I am so tired, you guys. I'm usually not a nap taker, but in quarantine I take naps, bitch. This is my little tea section. I got this at like a home goods store. So I'm gonna have a little green tea. I like adding a little honey to my green tea. So I'm gonna put a little bit at the end here. This is so convenient. I'm editing my laser hair removal video, and I'm really liking how everything came out. It was my first time filming in my room, which is my new backdrop for my sit down videos, and it looks so pretty, you guys. The lighting is really good. I want to make it a little bit cuter, but so far it looks really good. I'll give you, for some reason only one piece of my couch got delivered today, and the tracking says the other piece gets delivered tomorrow. I'm guessing this is the small one because it's a relatively small box. Kind of annoyed. I wish the whole thing came today. What did I order? This is why I hate ordering big furniture online. Oh my god, how is someone even supposed to do this on their own? I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Oh shit. What I ordered. I'm so confused. I'm so confused. I knew it was coming in pieces, but why did they only send one piece today and one tomorrow? Whatever, it's only one more day. But I'm just so confused. So in here, the cushions are in there, and I just keep taking more and more out. Like this, they pack this so compact, which is great, but I'm just so confused. I need help. Like, I decided I'm not even gonna look at the couch until the other piece arrives tomorrow, and then I can make a judgment call, because it's just nothing right now. It's like one piece of a sitting piece. I don't even know what it is, to be honest. I'm going live with my cousin on Instagram stories right now. I look so weird, but I'm a little chilly, so I'm putting my robe on. And even though I'm cold, I'm having iced coffee because I need a little pick-me-up. This coffee always hits. Guys, this is my cousin Kelly. Well, her mouth. We're going live in like 5 minutes, so she called me and we're like just preparing.
I'm trying to get ready.
Why do you look so cute?
I just woke up. I've actually just been laying in my bed for like a good like,
wait, I love that you just woke up. I woke up 3 hours ago and I still look disgusting.
I can't find my clothes.
Yeah, are you naked?
No, not naked. I'm wearing this little cosita, but I don't want to look at
State of hot mess that I am right now. It's a crazy day. I literally scheduled everything for today. It just happened to work out that way, but I posted my first vlog in 3 weeks today. And then an hour later, we restocked Sunday Energy. We restocked a bunch of favorites, and then we also launched a new pair of earrings, these evil eye earrings that are so freaking cute. Things are already selling out. I look crazy because I've been non-stop glued to my computer and my phone for like the past 2 hours. I'm looking for Post-its because I need to make a bunch of notes right now, otherwise I forget everything. The rest of my couch arrived, if you were wondering. My friend is actually gonna come over and build it. I also purchased a new curtain rod because the one that I had wasn't long enough for this window, and some curtains from Target. Max, I ended up putting this blanket here because Max loves to lounge here apparently, and it's white and I don't want him to ruin it. So I put this blanket on here. This is from West Elm. It was a gift. Television arrived like 4 days ago now, and I still haven't opened it. I know something really fun that I have to deal with every day. Bird shit all over my car. So my parking spot is right underneath a tree. Fun, I know. And the birds shit on my car every single day, all day. Hold on, I'm at the car wash right now, because it's to the point that the bird shit is all over my car, all over my windshield. It looks disgusting. I feel like people look at my car and judge me. And I think the only thing I can do is get a car cover, because what else am I gonna do? I can't chop the tree down. But literally, guys, I'm not exaggerating. Every single day, throughout the day, birds shit on me. Like, it's not even like in the morning, whatever, it's all day long. There's new spots of shit everywhere. Like, my entire windshield is covered in shit. My roof, my car, all around is covered in shit. If you guys have any advice for me, let a bitch know, because this is driving me crazy. I can't get a car wash every day. I'm gonna make a little iced coffee. Do you want some? I didn't tell you guys who's here. My angel's here. Also, my couch is put together. I kind of hate it, and I'll explain why. I feel like it's just too small. Like, I wanted something a little bit bigger, and it's also not that comfortable. So I'm kind of disappointed in it, and I'm trying to decide if I should just keep it for now. It wasn't too expensive, so I'm trying to decide if I should just keep it for now and look for new couches once stores open, because I kind of really do want to look at them in person. And now I'm a little nervous and scarred to shop for a couch online. So yeah, I don't know. I'm trying to decide what to do, you guys. And oh, my TV is amazing. I'm obsessed with this television. I need to order a TV stand, clearly. I haven't found one that I like, and I did order a coffee table, which should be arriving next week. So we're making progress little by little. It's been really difficult since stores are closed, and I'm more of a visual person. I like to see what the things look like. Sometimes it's kind of hard for me to picture how something's gonna look, so I'm struggling a little bit with that, but nonetheless, we're making progress. I'm gonna pour us a little bit of iced coffee.
These people are so, like, this woman, him and his friends are so boring. Like, the girl from Colombia.
Oh, him and his friends are so boring?
Yeah, she's so much more
She's watching 90 Day Fiancé. I don't know if you guys heard her, but she came up to me. That's for you. She's like, I just have to say, the guy and his friends are so boring. It's been a few hours, and I just wanted to let you guys know that the couch is growing on me. We're losing our minds here. It's actually growing on me. I'm not too mad at it. I'm gonna keep it for now. I mean, we're living in quarantine. I'm not gonna be entertaining anyone. And I think once the coffee table gets here, and I just ordered a TV stand too, it'll all kind of come together, and then I can start buying little decorative pieces. Like, once you break it in, it'll feel more comfortable, and it actually is starting to feel a little bit more comfortable. What do you think?
Yeah.
I'm like convincing myself. I'm like, yeah, it actually is comfortable. It's good. It's fine. I'm not mad at it anymore. If you guys have a small space, this is the perfect little sectional for a really small space. So I will link it below for you guys. Say it. Ayla's like, they're not gonna want it anymore after you just talk so much crap about it. Because at first I was like, it's so uncomfortable, I hate it. And it's starting to grow on me. Like, I'm just losing my mind here. We have too much time on our hands in quarantine to like think about our entire lives. I don't know, you guys, I don't know.